Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a simple but elegant side table DIY using inexpensive items, some of which came from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with this 16-inch wood round that I purchased from Etsy and these Dollar Tree Tower Game pieces. I used generous amounts of wood glue to adhere the game pieces to my wood round. Adding the final game piece was a tight fit. It required that I slightly adjusted the other wood pieces, but because the wood glue was still slightly wet, it was no problem. Once I was happy with the placement of my wood pieces, I allowed my design to dry overnight. Next, I'm adding these Dollar Tree wood signs that I purchased last year. These are seasonal items, but you can usually find them in different colors based on the time of year. They sell out quickly, so if you're unable to locate these, just pick up some inexpensive wood from your local hardware store. I removed the stickers and then I used wood glue and these corner braces to attach the wood signs to my design. As you can see, I'm also adding additional tower game wood pieces. I did this because the 16-inch wood round is only 1/4 inches thick. So in order to add my wood screws to my corner braces, I had to add something to prevent the wood screws from going straight through to the other side of the wood round. Here, I'm marking where my corner brace needs to be so that I can pre-drill holes before adding my wood screws. I only pre-drilled holes through my tower game wood pieces. I'm only using 1/2-inch wood screws for this project, and I found that they easily screwed into my wood signs without pre-drilled holes. Here's what I had so far. The wood glue is not 100% dry, so I've decided to allow my table to dry standing up, and I placed a large heavy vase on top to help level the legs as much as possible. The following morning, I added 3 thin coats of gold metallic spray paint. While my paint dried, I prepared a thin 16-inch mirror that I purchased from my local craft store. This mirror is super thin, so in order to prevent from scratching the back of the mirror, I'm using a bit of this glue gun that I picked up from Dollar Tree to help remove the black tabs from the back of the mirror. I let the glue gun sit for about 30 minutes, and then I use dish soap to help wipe away the black tabs from the mirror. And because I'm a bit impatient, I've already brought my table back in, and I'm using a warm hair dryer to help speed up the drying process. Once my table was dry, I used a strong adhesive to adhere my 16-inch mirror on top of my 16-inch wood round. And to give my table a more finished look, I also added some of this crystal rhinestone trim to my tabletop as well. This rhinestone trim is super sparkly, and you can now purchase it on my website, www.fromdenisewithlove.com. If you decide to replicate this project, I would recommend that you add the trim before adding your mirror. I didn't do that, so I ended up tucking one row of the trim underneath the mirror. And here's the finished look. I love the wood texture on this small table, but you can of course customize it with any color. Add glitter spray to the legs to give it a more glam look. The possibilities are endless. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week, so until next time, Dazzlers, bye!